The Arabic alphabet is captivating, flowing from right to left, creating a mesmerizing visual experience. It has 28 letters, with some looking different depending on their position in a word, whether at the beginning, middle, or end. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. With practice, you'll find it quite intuitive.
Pronunciation is key. Each letter has a unique sound that contributes to the richness of the language. Some sounds, like the guttural of ha or alias ayin, might seem tricky at first, but they add a distinct flavor to the language. Practice makes perfect, and online resources can help you get them right. There are many apps and websites dedicated to helping you master these sounds.
Remember, Arabic script is cursive, meaning letters connect, creating a continuous flow. This beautiful flow adds to the language's elegance and rhythm, making it a joy to write and read. Vowels in Arabic are represented by diacritics above or below letters, guiding pronunciation. Mastering these diacritics will significantly improve your reading and pronunciation skills, making the language more accessible and enjoyable.
Let's learn some basic greetings. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you, is a common greeting, met with wa alaikum as-salam, and upon you be peace. Marhaban means hello or welcome.
To ask, how are you? Say, kaifa haluk, to a male, or kaifa haluki, to a female. Be kaya, meaning good, is the typical response to kaifa haluk haluki. Other useful phrases include shukran, thank you, afwan, you're welcome, and ma as-salama, goodbye.
Don't be afraid to practice these phrases. The more you use them, the more natural they'll become. Arabic grammar might seem daunting initially, but it's logical and systematic. Verbs usually come at the beginning of sentences, followed by the subject. For example, ana ad-dahibu ila al-madrasati translates to I go to school. Notice how the verb ad-dahibu, go, precedes the subject ana, I.
Arabic nouns have genders, either masculine or feminine. This impacts adjectives and verb conjugations. For instance, kabir, big, becomes kabira when describing a feminine noun.
Don't worry too much about mastering all the grammar rules right away. Focus on understanding the basics and building from there.
Section 4. Navigating the world of Arabic dialects. Arabic, like many languages, has various dialects, each with its own unique flavor and characteristics. Modern Standard Arabic, or MSA, is the formal, standardized version used in media, education, and official settings. It serves as a common ground for Arabic speakers. However, spoken Arabic varies significantly across regions, reflecting the rich cultural diversity of the Arab world. Moroccan Arabic, for instance, differs greatly from Egyptian Arabic, which in turn differs from Gulf Arabic, and so on. Each region has its own distinct dialect. Each dialect has unique pronunciation, vocabulary, and expressions, and even some grammatical variations that can be quite fascinating to learn. While understanding MSA is beneficial for formal communication, immersing yourself in a specific dialect can greatly enrich your learning experience and help you connect more deeply with native speakers. Choose a dialect based on your personal interests, career goals, or the region you want to connect with. This will make your journey into the world of Arabic much more rewarding and enjoyable.
Section 5. Cultural Insights. Fun facts about the Arab world. The Arab world is rich in history, culture, and traditions. Did you know that Arabic calligraphy is considered an art form, with intricate scripts adorning mosques and manuscripts? Hospitality is a cornerstone of Arab culture. Guests are welcomed with open arms and often treated to delicious feasts and aromatic Arabic coffee. From the ancient pyramids of Egypt to the bustling souks of Morocco, the Arab world offers a tapestry of diverse experiences. Exploring these cultures can deepen your appreciation for the Arabic language.
Section 6. Embark on your Arabic language adventure. Learning Arabic is a rewarding journey that opens doors to a fascinating culture and connects you with millions of speakers worldwide. It's not just about the language, it's about understanding a rich history and vibrant traditions. Start with the basics: the alphabet, greetings, and simple phrases. These foundational elements will help you build confidence and ease into more complex aspects of the language. Embrace the beauty of Arabic script. Practice pronunciation diligently, and appreciate the artistry involved in each character. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process and provide valuable lessons. Utilize various resources such as language learning apps, online courses, and cultural immersion opportunities. These tools can significantly enhance your learning experience. Remember, every step you take brings you closer to fluency. Celebrate small victories and track your progress. So be patient, stay motivated, and keep pushing forward. Enjoy the process of discovering the wonders of the Arabic language and let your curiosity guide you through this incredible journey.